Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm gonna put this over here. Hopefully I can still get reception from it. There we go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I actually wanted to do this because I felt like it might help somebody, and these are things I've learned like this past year, so I thought I might share it with you guys. If you guys like it, make sure you give this video a like. I hope you like it though. I haven't sat down to film a video in a while. That's because I moved, so I'm in a new city right now, and so if you guys hear any echo or anything, that's because I just moved and I literally have no furniture, so that's probably why. So in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the things I wish I knew before investing my money, a dime of my money, into the stock market. Oh boy. Now I know since the pandemic a lot of people have been investing in the stock market, so did I. So and I know we've learned things from, I guess, investing. So if you've learned anything from investing in the stock market and you want to share with us, please leave in the comment section down below. Let us kind of share ideas, and that will help us, I guess, grow together. I'm gonna be talking about just giving you guys a quick background of how I got into the stock market. Now if you're just here for, I want to say it's 9 or 8 things I wish I knew before investing in the stock market, I'm gonna put the timestamp right here so you can just skip right to it. But if you're here for the juicy story of how I even heard about this thing, just make sure you keep on watching. Now before now I feel like I've heard of investing, but I always thought you had to be like a finance, accounting major, or if you weren't any one of those two things, you had to hire somebody professional to manage your money for you. Now while that's correct, we have a lot of tools, I guess devices, applications these days we can just use, and it's very super beginner friendly. So the story of how I got into the stock market, or how I started investing, I'm not in the stock market, I mean my money is, but how I got into it was, I want to say like April of last year. My friend, shout out to you Bobo, she put me on. She was like, there's this thing like investing. I put $1,000 in it and I made $1,550, something like that. Ridiculous. I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, like, and just for 2 weeks. And so I was like, oh my gosh, like 55% return. Sign me up for this. I want to be a part of it. So that's kind of how I got into investing. So that's it. I had no idea what it was. My friend made money and I jumped right into it. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing I wish I knew before putting my money into the stock market was that number one, you can lose money. So make sure that the money you're putting in the stock market is not your rent, or is not money you need to survive. It's money you can actually do away with. It's the sad truth, honestly, but like I thought I was just there to make money, and it was a get rich quick scheme type thing where I make 55% ROI, which sounds good by the way. But yeah, that did not happen. The second thing I wish I knew was to buy shares of the company I consume. So like I use, Apple, AT&T, I don't have a Tesla, but Amazon, companies like that I like consume. Like I should, makeup, I should buy their stocks first because I'm a direct consumer of their goods and services. The third thing I wish I knew was don't buy the hype. This one is hard. I feel like people know this but still do it. I didn't even know this. So if you're looking for a stock to buy, and I was under YouTube, I was watching YouTube videos, I was in comment section seeing what everybody was recommending. At the time, this YouTuber made this video, and this video is having like 2 million views, and you just get into it. The price is already like sky high, already 3x. If you're talking about it on Twitter, I used to go on Twitter, Clubhouse, listen to what people are saying, and whatever was popular was what I was buying. Trust me, at the time you are hearing about it, you're already too late. The price already 3 to 10x, and so even if it might be a good stock, it's already overvalued, like over freaking valued, and you have to probably wait until the hype dies a little bit, and then if it's something you truly believe in, go for it. So this tip made me lose a lot of money, a lot of money. So don't be like me. Please don't be like me. Please don't be like me. Sometimes it might still go up, but then it's just something that is overvalued will still come down. It's just what it is with the stock market. I did not make the rules. I did not make the rules. The next thing I wish I knew about the stock market before investing my money into it. This is the most important tip, guys. If you are not going to take anything out of this video, make sure you take this one tip. And I have my book right here just so I don't kind of lose my train of thoughts or just go on a tangent. But this is the biggest tip. Like, this is the biggest one I wish I knew. And I feel like it's a no-brainer, but I just didn't do it. Do your own research. I cannot stress this enough. Please, please, and please, and please do your own research before buying a stock, right? It just makes sense because you're putting your money into it, so might as well kind of do the research to know what you're putting your money into, right? It's your money, right? Your hard-earned money. But I didn't do this because I was just listening to what everybody said. I told my friend to send me her stock portfolio, and like I wanted to buy everything she basically had, and I had no idea what the company was or anything like that. I just said, she made money, I want to make money. That sounds like a good plan to me. So don't do that. Also learn like the basic terms. So like there are things called like 52-week high, 52-week low, like volume, open and close. I did not know what any of those things were. And maybe if I did that, maybe some stocks I bought, I wouldn't have bought it, but hey, it is what it is. We live and we learn. So try to learn the base, like the very basic terms. Like you don't have to like know everything, but just learn like the basic ones. Another one is taxes. Oh my God, taxes. I did not know this one. This one really hit me hard. Uncle Sam is everywhere. I'm so sorry. Is in the stock market too. Yep. I did not know we pay taxes. Imagine my shock. After a year, I got a 1099. I mean, at the end of the year, I got 1099. I'm like, why am I getting a 1099? It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So you have to pay taxes on the money you make. If you put $500 in the stock market and the money grew to $700, now you're not paying taxes on the entire $700. You're just paying taxes on. I feel like people are listening to me and I'm like, how did you not know this? Some people don't know. I didn't know. So yeah. So you pay taxes on the $200 you made. This brings me to my next things I wish I knew. There's something called capital gains. This just means hold your stock longer, right? So if you buy a stock right now and you don't sell it and you leave it for like a year and a day, you pay like way less taxes on your gains. I don't know the number, but it's like super low. I didn't know this. I just kind of made money and ran with it. I mean, obviously, like if you need your money like right this second or you're a day trader, then that's different. But like if you don't mind, the longer you leave your money for, not only does it have the potential of growing, hopefully it's a good company and you did your research, but then you pay like way less taxes on it, which sounds like a really good deal to me. Another tip, this one is probably like a hit or miss, honestly. But I decided to put it here and I'm gonna explain why. Is never sell a stock. Now, this one could be good and bad, right? So I'm hoping you did your research, and you like this company. And obviously, you're not putting your rent into it. Like if you're in it for the quick money, or as I said, you're a day trader, this does not apply to you because you're just in it for like the quick $10, $20 gain. But like if you're like looking to save for like the future, like 10 years retirement, if that's your goal, then like don't sell a stock, right? So if you feel like this is a company, obviously if you feel like it's a company that's gonna go under and like they're not doing well, sell that shit. I totally would sell it. If you're in it for like the quick, you see like a quick $10 like profit and you're like super excited and you take that out, in like the next 2 to 3, 4 years, it probably would like 3 to 4x, and you would just wish you didn't sell that stock. Obviously, if that's a good company. Again, I have to reiterate that never sell a stock. I know this one's hard because honestly, like, I see a quick like profit and I want to take all my money out. But again, what are your goals? Why are you investing? Kind of, you know, look at that and determine what you want to do. But never sell a stock. Another one, oh my gosh, this one is, I still don't really know much about this because I just learned about this literally the other day. But there's something called S&P 500, and I'm not going to be the best person that has the information about this. But what it just means, I don't even know how they came up with the name like S&P 500, like 500 companies. I probably should Google it because I'm making a video on it, but you can just Google it. But what it means is, instead of buying like an individual stock, so instead of buying like 1 shares of Apple or like 2 shares, instead of buying 2 shares of Apple or like, you know, like individual company, you're buying like 5 companies. So it's under like that S&P umbrella. Now I know I might not be doing the best job explaining this, but if you kind of know more, you can always comment in the comment section so we can all learn. This kind of reduces the risk of like one company, if that makes sense. Another one, oh my gosh, I almost forgot. This one is like, this one, okay, I did not know that you could buy like half a share, like a half shares or like 0.33 shares of a, I don't know if I really encourage that, but honestly, like a lot of companies I wanted to buy, I felt like I didn't have, at the time, I did not want to buy like one of their stock because it was probably like, you know, $1,000 or something, was like expensive, or so I did not really want to spend all that money on one company. But like in reality, you can actually put like $100 in a stock. Even if the price of one share is $200, you can buy like half of the stock, so you have like 0.5 or 0.554, something like that. So I did not know. This took me like months to know. I was just like, oh, I thought I had to buy 1 share, and that's when I can actually invest in that company. So this one is one that just kind of popped right in my head. So I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys want to know like how I guess I try to mitigate my losses, because obviously I lost money, hence this video, we live and learn. And they say experience is the best teacher, but if you're watching this video, then you don't have to lose money, hopefully. But if you want to know how I mitigated my losses and how I guess I was able to bounce back from all the money I lost, let me know down below so I can kind of make a video and explain to you guys what I did. It's a stock market and you have to know that you could lose money, so have that in the back of your mind and then go from there. So that's everything in this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. But I know some people watch this video and they're like, I knew all of this. Girl, kudos to you, because I did not know it. And so if this video helps one person, that's amazing. I'm happy. Make sure you subscribe, okay, for more content like this. Yep, because I make cool content. Get it? Get it? Okay, bye. Whew, I've been talking for like 40 minutes at this point, so yep, peace.